In the name of Allah, the Rahman, the Rahim, dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in today's lecture. Topic for today's lecture discussion is Jigsaw reading strategy. As we know that reading is an activity through which a reader meets with the meanings of a writer, with the thoughts of a writer, with the ideas of the writer. Okay, reading is an interactive. It means that reading is the interaction between the readers and the writers. So we meet with the meanings, with the ideas of a writer with the help of reading. So reading is a bridge. It works like a bridge. Students of any level can become overwhelmed. They will be confused. They will be puzzled when they are presented with large amount of text. Reading is a process because it requires many strategies and techniques for the purpose of comprehension. So, one of the techniques is Jigsaw reading. Jigsaw reading is an organization technique that breaks up longer texts into smaller chunks of text. Longer text will be divided into many parts or many pieces. Like for example, 1 to 2 paragraphs that students work together in groups to become experts on. Students will be experts in smaller groups, then they will be trying to get the meaning of the whole text. Each student then moves into a new group. Firstly, there will be 5 groups. For example, consider it, okay? And 25 students will be placed in one group. So they will be changing the groups after the completion of one task, okay? After the expertise in one group, each student then moves into a new group in which every member has become an expert on a different part of the text. This is an approach to reading that involves the students in speaking and summarizing skills. It's very useful when working with short, authentic texts such as newspaper articles or magazines. Dear students, Jigsaw रीडिंग स्ट्रेटजी में इस तरह किया जाता है कि स्टूडेंट्स को ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. एक लॉन्गर टेक्स्ट उनको शॉर्टर फॉर्म में दिया जाता है, स्मॉलर चंक्स में दिया जाता है. मतलब ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ अ टेक्स्ट कंटेन्स 5 पैराग्राफ्स और 50 पैराग्राफ्स, एक टेक्स्ट में 50 पैराग्राफ्स हैं, ठीक है. सो हर ग्रुप को 5 पैराग्राफ्स दिए जाते हैं कि वो उसमें एक्सपर्टी को गेन करे. फिर स्टूडेंट्स ग्रुप्स को चेंज कर लेते हैं ताकि ओवरऑल टेक्स्ट पे उनका अबूर आ जाए. Jigsaw reading is a cooperative learning strategy that enables each student of a home group to specialize in one aspect of a topic. For example, one group studies habitats of rainforest animals, another group studies predators of rainforest animals. Different groups will be there, home group and other groups, okay? In home group, the group of 5 students will be considered their home group. It enables students, it enhancing students' collaborative work strategy. The students then take turns teaching their new group about their portion of the text. This technique emphasizes cooperative learning by giving students the opportunity to help each other to build comprehension over the text. It also gives students communication skills opportunity to communicate with one another or each other to express their ideas with others. It also enables students to become creative. Creativity comes through Jigsaw reading skills, and there will be critical thinking skills will also be enhanced through this Jigsaw reading strategy. Why we use Jigsaw reading? Because it helps to build comprehension, understanding on the text. It encourages cooperative learning among the students. It helps to improve listening, communication, and problem solving skills. Like students will be listening to others, okay? Listening activity will be enhanced, and communication will be there among the students in a group, in their home group, and also with other groups. And they will be like role playing activities will be there, debates will be there, okay? So problem solving techniques, they will be expert in problem solving techniques. They will be like independent learner. With the passage of time, they will become independent learners. So that's why a Jigsaw reading strategy is necessary. Jigsaw रीडिंग के ज़रिए टेक्स्ट को स्मॉलर ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है, ठीक है? स्टूडेंट्स को डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में हम प्लेस करते हैं। जब वो स्मॉलर एक पीस पे उनका अबूर आ जाए, फिर उनको तब्दील करते हैं, दूसरे ग्रुप में बिठाते हैं, ठीक है? ताकि वो जो उनको पता चला है, उनको एक्सपर्टी आई है, वो और स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शेयर करें, और उन लोगों के साथ और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने जो टेक्स्ट पढ़ा है, ठीक है, वो उससे सीखे और ये स्टूडेंट उनको सिखाए, ये ग्रुप उनको सिखाए, ठीक है? सो इसी तरह सारे स्टूडेंट्स फुल टेक्स्ट को पढ़ लेते हैं और उनमें एक्सपर्ट्स हो जाते हैं. सो दैट स्टूडेंट्स इन दिस टेक्निक encourages cooperative learning, creativity, critical thinking, and also communication skills. Thanks for watching. Assalamu